Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little unboxing. I have the Summer Essentials box from GLOSSYBOX and I'm super excited to dive in and see what's in here. They typically do like a really good mixture. It could be like makeup, skincare, body. I've seen like some lifestyle type items, but I haven't peeked to see what actually comes in this one yet. Now this is a limited edition box and I believe it is sold out, so I'm really sorry if you wanted to get your hands on this particular one. I'm not sure if they will be restocking or not. I will try to link it down below with some info if I can find, you know, if there's a restock or something. But if not, be on the lookout because they do a lot of limited edition boxes. They also do have a subscription box that you can get, and I've always been like on the fence of like, oh, let me order that one. No, I don't need another one. But I would be really interested to try the subscription box as well. But I'm really excited to see what we got and what type of items come in here. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this was $30 if you were a subscriber to their box and $35 if you weren't. So I feel like $5 difference, that's not too bad. Like, it's nice to save it, but I don't think it's so much that you feel like you're, you know, really missing out. So even if you are a non-subscriber, you can still get their limited edition boxes. So let's go ahead. This is so cute. Look at this. It's like a little baby makeup bag. I like the size of this because it's probably just enough to fit like a day's worth of makeup in it. So really cute. We do have a little informational card in it. Now, full disclosure, they did send me this box, but I'm not being sponsored and I have no requirements to say anything in particular about it. You guys know how I am. I'm gonna tell you the truth either way, but I always like to tell you guys, you know, if I got something for free, and this I did receive from them for free, so I am super excited to see what we got. Let's go ahead and get into it. I see sunglasses right on top. Oh, I'm excited. I've been complaining that I feel like all my sunglasses are either like cheap or uncomfortable. All my key ones are too big for my head. They're literally too wide, and the other ones that I have are like cheap and scratched, and I'm just ready to like give away all of them, toss them if they're broken or scratched or whatever, but like start over. And these are super cute. Okay, let me open this up. This is the brand Velvet. I can't wait to show you guys this, but I'm gonna slow roll it for just a second. Protects your eyes from harmful UV rays with this cute accessory, Strike a Pros. Ooh, these goes for $55. So considering that at most you're paying $35 for the box, $55 sunglasses, it's a really good deal. You can shop these at velveteyewear.com. Ooh, look how cute these are. I really like this style. I'm gonna put them on really quick. On the inside it says BG Chelsea. I don't know if that is the style. Let's go ahead and put them on. Ooh, they fit good. Okay, finally. I like that these are nice and big. Like, I like sunglasses to kind of like block the whole eye area, but these look really cute. I feel like these are good like utility sunglasses, but they're also really cute. And it may be hard to tell, but these are like black on the top and they fade into like a tortoise design on the bottom, or at least it looks like it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but these feel really nice. They don't feel cheap, but they also don't feel super heavy. I'm super excited about these. I think they are super cute. What do you guys think? Do you like this style of sunglass on me? Because I always have a hard time picking, and I feel like these are good for me, but what do you guys think? We got something from Super Smile Extra White. This is a professional whitening system, and I think I've actually tried this before and really liked it. I think I might have, excuse me, Minners is trying to get, can you lay down, bud? He's trying to get situated on this box that I have taped up. Hey, you want to sit in the chair? Okay, sorry if you can hear that, but I think I've actually tried these before and really liked it. Okay, sorry. I think I have tried this before and I think I actually really enjoyed it. So this is a deluxe mini worth $12. Full size goes for $150. Wow. So it's supposed to give you 2 shades whiter teeth after 1 brushing. I remember this. I actually really like this. So I'm excited to have this again. You combine the toothpaste and the accelerator on a dry toothbrush. 9 shades whiter teeth, like by the time that you actually use this whole system. So it is 2 little tubes. I actually really remember this because I remember thinking like, wow, these are tiny and they won't last, but they actually did. So I got several uses out of this. So here are the little tubes so you can check them out. I can't wait to use this again. And low-key, I might have to look into purchasing the full sizes. You can tell I need a little whitening right now, and I cannot use white strips. Absolutely not. It hurts my teeth. After 1 use of white strips, I will be in pain and like agony, and I don't otherwise have sensitive teeth or gums or anything. I hate those white strips. So I'm excited to have this. Even though it's a mini, I'm excited. And this is also a great like travel system too. You know, if you're traveling out and about and you want your smile to be like extra bright, this would be great to travel with. We got something from Egyptian Magic. Oh, I have not heard of this. This is a little guy. Look at that. This little travel size is worth about $6. Full size is only $26, so it's really affordable. It's an all-purpose cream with serious powers, legendary moisturizing balm created with a blend of 100% natural ingredients like olive oil and honey. Can be used all over the body, including lips, cuticles, and hair. Oh, that's definitely like balmy. It's packed in there too. So I'm gonna put some on my hand. Ooh, that feels luxurious. Now my other hand is looking dry. Still got those like super dry hands right now. If you're like me and you're washing your hands a lot, then you know how it is. I might actually consider putting this in my purse because of how nice it is on my hands, and it's like heavy duty moisture. I feel like this also feels like something that isn't going to like wash away in one, you know, hand washing. Some things will leave you with a little bit of moisture even after you wash, and I feel like this would do that. Even though it's just a small guy, like I feel like it's a good way to try it. And if I love it, full size is only $26, so not a bad deal at all. Oh, we got a Tangle Teezer. I low-key have been wanting one of these. I have a wet brush, but I've never had a Tangle Teezer. So this one is a full size as well, and this goes for $12. It's super gentle, flexible teeth, the world's favorite detangler, glides through wet or dry hair with no pulling and less breakage. All right, so here's the Tangle Teezer. I'm super excited to have this. Between the sunglasses and this, I would already be like super excited. This actually feels really nice, gliding through my hair. And I definitely have like a lot of breakage and damage because my hair is really fine. So I do love products like this that will help me not break my hair so much, because when my hair is wet especially, I can just feel the strands are like so weak. So I'm really excited to use that. Yay! All right, we got a, it looks like a small fragrance called Arizona. I have never heard of this. We'll give it a try. Oh, it's by Proenza Schuler. It says it's summer in a bottle with notes of white cactus flower, takes you on an adventure through the senses, and it's perfect for the warm getaway season. Okay, so this guy goes for $15. Full size is 50 milliliters for $100. So cute little bottle right here. That's what it looks like. Any of you guys just love baby bottles like this? Ooh, I'm just gonna dab it on my wrists. It is just a little like dab bottle. I would love to have seen like a roller ball or a travel spray instead of this, but you still get a pretty decent amount to really try it out. This smells really good. It does smell a little bit like mature and sophisticated, but then it also has this like fruity floralness to it. I actually really love the way that this smells. I'm impressed because I'm not a huge fragrance person. Like I have a few that I love, and I'm usually like unimpressed. Like things are just, I can always find something to complain about with fragrance. I actually really like this. It literally smells like very summery, very bright. I can definitely see myself like on vacation wearing this scent. We've still got 3 items in here. So we got the Oribe, I think it's Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So that's what the little guy looks like. This goes for $10, so not a bad price point. For 30 mils, 300 mils is the full size and goes for $44. That's crazy. So I have tried a few things from Oribe. They're usually really nice if you don't mind paying a little extra for it, but definitely something nice to get in a subscription box for sure. It says this is formulated without parabens or sodium chloride, color and keratin treatment safe, perfect for smooth, tousled, and moisturized hair without the salty stiffness. What you doing? If he's not going to be seen, he's definitely at least going to be heard. You know that. All right, so definitely excited to get this one as well. We have a lip gloss from Becca. This is the Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss Citrine and Apricot. So it says this goes for $22. It is a full size, and it's a luxe conditioning lip formula, best of both worlds, with a shine of lip gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. Ultimate companion for hydration and shine. So let me make sure I don't have this one already. All right, I do not have this shade. I have a few other shades that I was thinking maybe was this, but again, this is Citrine and Apricot. I already have like a nudie kind of gloss on, but we're just layering. Ooh, my lips immediately look like plump and juicy. This actually looks really pretty. I feel like lately Becca has not been like a brand that I've been going for, but this gloss is gorgeous, and they also have something new coming out that's like a clear foundation, but it's supposed to like blur all your imperfections, and I'm like, I might need that. So I'm not mad at this. Even though Becca's not one brand that I typically go for, like I said, I feel like this is really, really pretty. I was also expecting it to be a little bit like grittier, which it still has, like you can like feel the texture of the glitter a little bit, but I think they've improved upon it because I feel like one time I got a glittery gloss from them and I was like, I couldn't stand it because it was so gritty. But this one's mild. Like I don't really feel it too much unless I'm really pressing my lips together. So yeah. Happy with that too. We got one more item. This is from Skin Glow London. Goes for $10 and it is a under eye mask treatment. This has turmeric, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. So look at it. Sorry, I know that's like metallic and blinding you guys, but it says it's good for dark circles, for luminous under eyes, and they're hydrogel patches packed with turmeric to combat discoloration and hyaluronic acid for moisture. $10 for one pair. They better be pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Overall, I feel like this is a great like summer box. If you're taking like a beach trip, I mean, hello, you need this to like, you know, work all the salt out of your hair. Is that a thing? I think I'm most excited for the sunglasses. Super thrilled to have a Tangle Teezer as well. But I can honestly say that I'm happy with everything. And if I didn't say that before, this is over $140 value as well. So I think that's really impressive to get for $30 or $35. This fragrance is just getting better. It's weird because it's simultaneously like floral, fruity, it's sweet. It's just really nice. I really like it. So whatever's in that, yes. And of course the gloss, which is super cute. We got our little teeth whitening and my little Egyptian balm. And let's not forget the cute bag too. I don't think I could be any happier with what I got. I think they did an excellent job putting this together, and it's time for me to go chill in the sun. Just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if there are any other subscription boxes or limited edition boxes that you would like for me to show on my channel. I will definitely do that for you guys. And I am very sorry that this month my subscription boxes are a mess as I'm transitioning to my new address, and packages are like getting returned to sender. They're getting held at the post office, held at UPS. They're literally in every which way, and I've not gotten a single subscription box this month yet that has actually arrived to an address. So I'm so sorry. Those are either going to be really delayed or just missing for this month until I can get everything straightened out. So sorry if you were looking forward to those. I will of course be back to normal in August when I'm finally all settled in. So thank you guys again. I hope you're doing amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.